There's this huge shift happening in the world of AI right now, and it's all about one thing: taking back control. For the longest time, it felt like to do anything really powerful with AI, you had to be plugged into the cloud, paying for APIs, and dealing with subscriptions. Well, that's all changing, and it's changing fast. Today, we're going to dive into how you can run some seriously powerful AI right on your own computer.
So let me ask you this. What if you could run powerful AI without paying a monthly subscription, without relying on a cloud provider, and most importantly, without ever sending your private data anywhere? This isn't some hypothetical question about the future. This is the reality of local AI, and it is a complete game changer for developers, for creators, for everyone. And the benefits, oh, they are huge. I mean, think about it. You get total, absolute privacy because your data literally never leaves your machine. There are no recurring API fees. Once it's set up, it's free to run. And get this, it works completely offline. You could be on a plane with no Wi-Fi and still have your AI assistant. On top of all that, you get full control to tweak and customize these models for exactly what you need. And the responses, they're pretty much instant, no network lag. Okay, so that all sounds amazing, right? But how do we actually do it? How do we make this happen? Let's get into the nitty-gritty of getting that AI running directly on your machine. The magic behind all of this is a tool called Ollama. It's an awesome open source project that takes the incredibly complex process of getting a large language model up and running and just makes it simple. It bundles all the complicated stuff, the model weights, the configuration, everything into one easy-to-use package that just works. So this is probably the biggest question on your mind. Can my computer even handle this? And the answer is, yeah, it probably can. For these small but incredibly capable 7 billion parameter models, you only need about 8 to 16 gigs of RAM. We're talking about most modern laptops here. And if you're on an Apple Silicon Mac, you're in a great spot because of how they handle memory. If you want to step up to medium-sized models, a decent gaming PC or a Mac Studio will do the trick. The barrier to entry here is way lower than you'd think. So what's the secret sauce that makes this possible? It's a really clever technique called quantization. Now, you don't need to be an expert on this because Ollama handles it for you automatically. It basically shrinks these massive model files by up to 75% with almost no drop in quality. The best analogy is it's like zipping a giant file. Ollama does all that heavy lifting for you so you get a powerful model that actually fits on your machine. All right, enough theory. That's all great, but let's actually do something. Let's get practical and have our very first conversation with our own local AI. This is where it gets really fun. And I'm not exaggerating when I say you can be up and running in minutes. It's really just 3 simple steps. First, you download and install Ollama. It's a one-line command on Mac or Linux and a simple installer on Windows. Second, you pull a model. Just think of it like downloading an app from an app store. And third, you run it and start chatting. That's it. And when I say simple, I mean it. Once Ollama is installed, you just pop open your terminal and type this one command: Ollama run Llama 3.2. The first time you do this, it'll take a moment to download the model. But after that, boom, you are dropped right into a chat session. No API keys, no sign-up forms, no credit cards. Just you and your own private AI. Okay, chatting is cool, but this is where Ollama goes from being a fun tool to being an absolute powerhouse. Let's talk about how you can create your very own custom AI. The key to all this is something called a model file. And listen, if you've ever used a Docker file, you're going to feel right at home. It's the exact same idea, but for AI. It's a simple text file that acts as a blueprint. You pick a base model, you give it some instructions, you set its personality, and you create a brand new, totally custom AI assistant. And the best part is the syntax is super straightforward. It really just boils down to 3 main instructions. From is just picking your starting point, like Llama 3.2. System is where the magic happens. This is where you give it a permanent personality or set of rules. And parameter is like the tuning knobs. You can adjust things like creativity to get the output just right. Let's look at a real-world example. Say we want an AI that's an expert in Python. We'd start with from Llama 3.2. Then, in the system prompt, we give it its job description. You are a senior Python backend engineer. Only answer with code. And then, we set the parameter temperature to something low, like 0.2. This tells the model to be very factual and not get too creative, which is exactly what you want when you're dealing with code. In just a few lines, we've designed a specialist. So how do you bring this to life? It's just 2 more simple commands. First, you run Ollama create, give your new model a name like Python expert, and point it to your model file. Then you just run it by its new name, Ollama Run Python Expert. And just like that, you have your own custom AI living on your machine, ready to go whenever you need it.
Okay, so you've built your own custom AI assistant. That's awesome. But it's not super useful if it's just stuck in your terminal, right? Now for the really fun part. Let's put it to work and integrate it directly into our code.
You've basically got two main ways to do this. If you're a Python developer, you're in luck because there's an official library that makes it incredibly easy. For literally any other language or more complex setups, Ollama has you covered with a built-in REST API that gives you a universal way to connect to anything.
The Python route is by far the easiest. You just do your classic pip install Ollama. Then inside your Python script, you just import it and call ollama.chat. You tell it which model to use, send your message, and that's it. It handles everything in the background for you. It's beautiful.
Now, if you're using JavaScript or Go or Rust or anything else, the REST API is your best friend. Ollama runs a little local server for you. All you have to do is make a standard post request to it with your prompt. This means you can effectively turn your own computer into a private, powerful AI backend for any project you can dream up. So you've got the fundamentals down now. You can run a model, customize it, and code with it. Let's zoom out a bit and look at some of the other tools in the Ollama ecosystem.
You should think of the Ollama library as a toolbox full of different brains, and you've got to pick the right one for the job. For general stuff like chatting or summarizing an article, a generalist model like Llama 3.2 is perfect. But if you're coding, you want a specialist, right? A model like Qwen 3 Coder is going to give you way better results. And then it gets even cooler. There are vision models that can look at and describe images, all running locally and privately.
Okay, so what happens when you need the really big guns, like a massive model that your laptop just can't handle? Does that mean you're out of luck? Nope. Ollama has a really smart solution for this, called Ollama Cloud. It lets you run those giant models on their powerful hardware. But, and this is the cool part, you use the exact same commands and API that you've already learned. Your workflow doesn't change a bit. It's the perfect escape hatch for when you need more power.
And this whole system is just fantastic for teams. Imagine you've created the perfect custom AI for your company. Maybe it's a support bot that knows all your documentation. You don't have to keep it to yourself. You can just sign in and Ollama push your model to the cloud. Then, anyone on your team can simply Ollama pull it, and instantly they have the exact same specialized AI running on their machine. It's so powerful for collaboration.
So, when you boil it all down, the big idea here is this. The power to run, customize, and build with sophisticated AI is no longer locked away in the cloud. It's right here on your own machine. You now have this powerful, private, and infinitely customizable AI toolkit right at your fingertips. So the only question left is, what are you going to build first?